Welcome to Experian Exchange, a new series featuring exclusive interviews with all the latest news and insights with Experian's business leaders. Experian Exchange will give you access to the latest thinking from inside the world of Experian, covering everything from finance to fraud and even technology to transformation. Welcome to Experian Exchange. I'm Irani. As the global marketplace becomes increasingly complex, streamlined solutions are more crucial than ever. Someone who's helping set new standards in the FinTech industry is Alex Lintner, CEO of Experian Software Solutions. He's just announced Experian's Ascend technology platform, and he's here to tell us more. Welcome back to Experian Exchange, Alex. Great to have you with us.
It's great to be here.
So Alex, just in a few words, can you explain to us what exactly is this newly announced Ascend technology platform? How will it work?
Well, Del, we have all become accustomed to all of our apps interacting seamlessly. If you get on your iPhone, you can work all your apps. If you get onto your Microsoft email, you can send a PowerPoint presentation. If you get on a Teams meeting, you can put something in chat, a Word document. It all works well together. It's very integrated. It's very easy for all of us to do that. That type of integration of different use cases being brought together with no coding experience or knowledge needed from the side of the user, that is an integrated platform. We have done the same now for the financial services industry. And for financial services, the specific challenge was that they need a lot of data to make their decisions. The Ascend technology platform can handle up to 12 petabytes of data for any individual clients, 50 petabytes of data altogether we handle for all of our clients. That's a massive amount of data, 100 times as much data as you need to send the space shuttle into space, have it circle the Earth 43 times, run 500 experiments, and bring everybody back safely. It is a very capable big data environment that is now integrated like other integrated solutions would be, whether it's Microsoft, whether it's Salesforce, whether it's Oracle, pick your favorite enterprise level software.
So with this huge amount of data, how exactly can financial services companies or your clients more specifically leverage this to solve problems?
The way that financial services companies work today is to do the things that we have integrated here, they need 6 or 7 vendors, different companies. And then internally, they have to do the work of stitching these applications together. Different user interfaces, different sign-ons, different security protocols, and the risk, because it's stitched together, that any one component fails and therefore their own availability of the whole system is impeded. When you have an integrated platform, you don't have that. You do single sign-on for the user. They can use all the applications. The data is integrated. They can drag and drop it from one application to the other. The security updates are seamless, silent, so they don't have to do anything to get a security update. Happen every 2 weeks. Industry standard in financial services is every 3 months, every 6 months, et cetera, et cetera. So there are many advantages that a leading edge technology platform should provide nowadays that we are now bringing to financial services.
Give me some examples of the type of success that customers have had with this platform right now. Any practical applications that you can share with us?
Look, we're living in a world where the fraudsters are using the most sophisticated technologies that are available, unfortunately. So the only way to battle it is to do the same, use the most sophisticated technologies available. In fraud, what fraudsters do is they try to get in a certain way, and if it doesn't work, they're moving on to the next method, to the next method. In other words, they're adjusting how they attack you. You can detect the attempts of how you're being attacked. If you detect a pattern, you need to adjust your fraud prevention model. We have several clients who had some of the most sophisticated fraud teams in the world, but they were only able to adjust their models with sort of weeks lead time. The norm is months lead time to adjust a model. Now with this new tool, they can adjust their model within days. Therefore, they lower the risks, not only for them as an institution, but for the consumer.
Given how rapidly technology is changing, we're already where we are 5-10 years, from where we were 5-10 years ago. So looking forward, How do you see this platform evolving in the next 5 to 10 years to meet the challenges of the future?
We here at our client conference, we have some 700 clients here, and unprompted, we haven't published anything. This will be one of the first times we're talking about it in public. Clients come up to me who I have known for years, and they say, well, I've met with you before, and I was in the capacity of credit products. Now I'm also in charge of fraud. That tendency that the credit side and the fraud side become one organization because they're very much the same consumer experience is an industry trend. What that means for partners like ourselves, like Experian, is we want to provide a platform that is integrated, that allows the financial institution to put their credit decisioning models and the fraud prevention models together. Because if your fraud filter is too strict, you're going to eliminate customers that would actually be good customers. That bothers the product people, the marketing people. And if the marketing people aren't stringent enough on fraud, you're incurring too many fraud losses. So it's really one experience you want to create. More and more financial institutions realize that, and therefore the vendor landscape behind it will integrate more. We at Experian, we believe we are at the forefront of that. We're the first ones to provide an integrated platform with all the benefits I described earlier, and therefore we're going to help those institutions who want to move into that direction to do just that.
Alex, how closely do you work with your customers to make sure that this technology, which is now newly announced, will continue to, modify to meet their needs, particularly as challenges keep arising, fraudsters get cleverer or other challenges come up?
Adela, I appreciate that question because the truth is in this industry you can only succeed if you collaborate very closely with your customers. So I would say much of what we have built into our new technology has been prompted by questions or challenges that our clients have articulated. And they say, well, why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? And over time, we have built this technology platform that we know is unmatched in the market. Some of it is actually done in co-development so that the IP is shared. And I think that's part of the rapid pace of progress that we were able to just show over half a dozen years.
Alex, it's great as always to talk to you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of Experian Exchange. Please subscribe to get access to all the videos in this series. To learn more, go to experian.com/exchange.